Hey everybody, it's Craig with the Everyday Makers. I'm out here getting ready to do a glue up on a pallet project. A little quick tip for you. Okay, most of us, when it comes to glue ups and it comes to doing stuff like pallet projects, we're kind of limited by the size of our planers as far as making big glue ups. Mine capacity around 12.5 inches, 12, 12.5. Most of them on the market for the consumer grade ones tend to be 12, 12.5. Short of spending a ton of money on them, but that's roughly what they're at. So here's a quick tip to kind of keep your brain wrapped around where you need to be, things like that. On parallel clamps, it tends to be real common to use tape on them to keep the glue from sticking on them. I did not do a good job of starting that way, but that's a whole other story. So here's my thought. Tape measure. Figure out where roughly 12 inches is. About there. I think I can do 12.5, but we're going to go with 12 to better safe than sorry. Just take a marker. Put a mark on 12. Now when you're doing your glue ups, you have a little bit of mental accounting for where that actual 12 is, the max you can possibly do. So you don't do 13 and have to shave some off to make it fit through the planer. Just a little quick tip that's real super helpful. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.